Alright, so this is what we're gonna do. I have the timer at a minute. Exactly leveled. We're gonna eat like we're dogs. When it's end, whoever has the least amount of water wins. Are you pumped?
Okay, move over here. Okay. I think you have less
If you spill water on me, I'm gonna kick you in the butt.
Okay.
Ready?
Yeah.
No drinking it. No. You can't drink it. You retard.
Okay, start over. Go.
You can't go.
Oh, okay. Well, the timer's running out.
Only use your tongue.
Okay.
I just spit. You're getting old. Get owned. 15 seconds. 18. I'm gonna spit. No drinking.
Okay.
One.
Okay, it looks like I beat you.
That's because you were drinking it, you know.
Okay, let's see who won. Jeff?
I think I'm pro. The winner. Actually, you kind of won. Yeah, you're a better dog than me. Alright. Here, now, come show the people the ball. That's me, that's Erica.
I definitely won.